Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when it's time to go on a hike or for a long walk, I love having a pair of pants that are lightweight, comfortable, and are going to give me UPF protection. This pair that I got from GymBrave ticks all of those boxes. One of the features I really appreciate about these pants is that they have a hook and eye closure in the front that actually looks like a snap. I really like that because even when a pair of pants fits you well, sometimes the snap can just come undone, and having this hook and eye closure keeps that from happening. I got the size medium. I am 5'4" and have a 30-inch waist, and I can wear anywhere between a size 4 and 8 in pants. These fit me really well, they're comfortable, and they lay very nicely. I love that these are cargo pants, so lots of different pockets, but not to the point where it feels overdone or silly. And I like that it has the option for a more of a tailored look by using the cinch cord at the bottom of the legs. I got the color Stone Blue in the long style. I love that GymBrave also offers different colors and styles to choose from. These are elastic, which just makes it even more comfortable to wear without giving you a granny look. These are perfect for hiking during the wet season, which we get a lot of in the Pacific Northwest because they dry quickly. The next time you need to go for a hike, you definitely need a pair of these to wear. I really like them, and that's my point of view.